All right, y'all. So I'm out here with what's your name, man?
I'm Jared.
Jared. And Jared's got this machine right here, JKU, and he's got all kind of stuff up in it. What kind of lift you got on this thing?
So we've actually got a Teraflex 4-inch lift, and then in the rear we went ahead and we put the readylift airbags in the back just because of all the weight.
Now, you said weight. What kind of weight you talking about?
I'm talking about a full kitchen. So we run a 65-quart fridge, freezer, and then on top of that we have an entire drawer system that has and holds all of our food and everything else. So we got a lot of weight, and on top of that we took out the back seat because we installed a camera box that holds all of our camera equipment and our drones and everything else. So we got a lot of weight in this thing.
Y'all see this? Now, he didn't even bring up that tent that's sitting up there. Look at that. Didn't even bring that up.
Nope.
We're not gonna mention the tent, and we're not gonna mention all this weight back here with the board, the tire, the jerry can, the shovel. You got the rack up there. You got his lock boxes up there. Have you done anything to the engine, transmission, other than the lift or anything like that?
Yeah, actually, right now we have aftermarket Yukon drive shafts that we're running. We've got a set of front and rear chromoly axle shafts that are actually sitting at home right now, ready to be installed. We've got a built transmission stage 1, and then in the engine bay, we did a high mount custom made snorkel, dual battery, and that's pretty much it.
Holy smokes, man.
Oh, and in the axles we installed 488 gears.
You got 488s in. Okay. I put 488s in mine about 3 weeks ago, so.
They're worth it, 100%, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
We can actually go uphill now and not lose speed.
Exactly. And I don't know whether y'all can see it, but you got this air compressor lines down there, mounted in the rear. I mean, this thing is set up. They could probably live in this thing for the next year and nobody would even know.
We're gonna try it eventually.
I don't know whether they can take each other for a whole year.
Maybe not. I might get beat up a little bit.
And you also own another Jeep, right?
Yes, also on another Jeep. It's a 1980 CJ7.
Okay.
Picked it up for a couple $100 and...
Hold on, back up, time out. A couple $100?
Yeah, it was pretty much just rotted out and done for. Picked it up for a couple $100 and the engine wanted to fire right up, but I decided that I wanted to go with a V8 versus the old straight 6. And luckily the V8 and the old straight 6 weighs about the exact same amount. And so then I went and bought me a truck and got some 1-ton axles and a V8 out of it and threw it all into that.
Holy smoke. This guy got too much time on his hands. He got too much time on his hands. Gotta give him something to do.
We also, she runs a photography business, and then I actually started a YouTube channel where we try to review trails. So we go on a trail and we try to tell you guys if, you know, if it's worth going down for one, and then two, if you can make it with just, you know, stock setup or 35s or what.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
It's called For The Brand.
For The Brand. Go check him out. For The Brand. Check out that YouTube channel. And if you're ever in Jersey and professional photographer, if you're ever in Jersey and you need someone, check them out. They will take care of you. Well, that was my man Jared. I could probably spend another hour out here talking to this guy about this Jeep, but they want to hit these trails, so I ain't gonna hold them up. So I'm gonna let them go. But y'all have fun. Peace out.